preparation as early as possible. The first thing is you should decide that yes, I want to start studying abroad. So for that, your profile building should be there. See, if you look at the universities in US, UK, Australia, any of the foreign universities, unlike Indian universities, they want you to have the holistic development. So when you say the holistic development of a child, they look into not just your academic performance, but also like how many, like about your extracurricular activities also. So if I divide the jump on basis of which they decide whether to give you admission or not. There are two types of universities, the public universities and the private universities are there. So some universities, they give 50% importance to your SAT score and the other 50% will be given importance to your GPA, that is your grade point average, till 12th how much your scores are there. GPA 4 is the highest, right? And 1 is lowest. So the higher the GPA, the better scores you are having, isn't it? And then 25% importance is given to your extracurricular activities, that is sports, debates, cultural activities, are you part of any club or not? So the holistic development is needed. The other side of the coin is, there are some other universities who will give just 25% importance to your SAT scores and IELTS TOEFL score, then 25% importance to your GPA. The 50% importance is given to your extracurricular activity, that is your overall profile. So it's not necessary a child who is just always a bright student, 90%, 80%, that child only will get admission into these foreign universities. If you are an average student but you are good at something else, right? So maybe you're good at sports, you're good at the cultural activities, but the most important thing is you need to have the certificates of these activities which you have participated in your school. Along with that, you should join some social service club also. Go to the blind school, orphanage, old age home, help those people, and during weekends and collect certificates. All these certificates of social service will also help you to strengthen your profile. So as soon as you decide, some students who have dream of studying abroad, they start this from as early as 9th standard itself, and then we allow them. Then you also have the opportunity to prepare the research papers also. You do some internships in some of the in organizations. Suppose you want to do something in AI, or you want to do something in space. So in that case, any organization which is into the production of satellites, you can do some internship over there. So maybe a month during your summer vacations, do some internships. 1 month internship, 2 month internship, depending upon the course in which you want to study. Then the next thing what you have to do is shortlist your universities. Whenever you take these standardized exams, during the exams itself, you have to put in the names of those 5 universities which you shortlisted and you want to take admissions. The ETS or the college will free of cost will send your scores to these universities. If you have not shortlisted your universities, and you will say later on relative. So for each score which you report, you have to pay. So the best thing is you should know those 5 universities where you want to apply. Then the next step comes that you start preparing for your standardized test, get your results ready, then prepare for your SOPs, LORs, and then your application will be submitted, and then you'll have the admit card from that university, and then you can apply. It takes the entire 1 year for this process to complete. Unlike India, the admission process there in India, it's completed in 2 to 3 months itself. But here, if you want to study abroad, you need to plan your roadmap a year ahead. As some students, they start planning it as early as from 10th standard itself. So still it is not late. You are early 12th, right? So you can start preparing from now also.